Yes. Yeah. Let's go. I almost spilled my coffee running back here. Rainbow Runner says 24.2, 25.2 is pivot order block. I have my eyes on. Hey, I love that. I already have. Yep. I feel ya. I have a little. We drew this box. It's a couple weeks ago, so it's a little bit. We gotta adjust it, but I feel you, Rainbow. Yeah. On Monday we were talking about. I think I'm gonna be able to short higher than this POC. I think I'm gonna get a short higher than 24 thou. Yeah, so we have this daily or weekly. We have that point of control at 24/7. Yeah, I feel you, Rainbow. I'm just gonna be patiently waiting. I'm looking at the 4-hour ES, and so it might end up being next week when we get that short. Because we got tomorrow, we got the options expirations. The gammas aren't really helping us. If we get above it, if we get above 39.50, that's a good start. But this bull div on the 4-hour might play out when we come back from the weekend. So, yeah, I'll be looking for a scam pump over the weekend. I guess it depends on where we close tomorrow. But hopefully this is the bottom for ES, though. That'd be nice. I mean, a lot of stuff is kind of lining up already. Pixel perfect on golden pockets. Ranges look good. That bounced off of the 39.52. So hopefully 39.50 is not resistance and we get candle closes back above it, validating the strength of the 4-hour triple bull div. Hey now, just like how we were looking at 39.50 and how if S&P popped above, Bitcoin was gonna go. If S&P flips GEX into support, snap diddly fo shiddly. So just like 39.50, I'm sure that there's probably all of retail is staring at that 39.92. So if S&P pushes through that GEX flip, Bitcoin gonna get nasty. Woo! Let's see, ladies and gentlemen, get your popcorn ready. Hey, and don't forget the last 10 minutes of market open. There's still like 25 minutes or whatever, right? So like, what if they scam pump through this, and then like the last 10 minutes they scam dump it? Be careful. You got to factor in everything that we've seen together. Snap diddly fo shiddly. Big nasty Bugatti. Big nasty Bugatti. Snap diddly Bugatti. Snap diddly Bugatti. Approaching golden pocket. Approaching golden pocket. We correlated the golden pocket. So you don't want to get, I mean, you're already in a long, right? But don't get trapped. It might just be catching up. We correlated 39.50 and the gamma wall with the golden pocket. It might just be catching up. Snap diddly. Bear div on the 5-minute. Song Googie says, Kimba bro, bot in YouTube channel. Motherfucker. Let's have a public execution. Is it the same guy or what? You guys need to report him. I can't do it by myself. Where? Oh, this little motherfucker, I swear to God. Everybody go report his ass. Because he's blocked. Oh, no, he made a new account, little bitch ass. Spam. Next. Spamming adult content. A little bitch. Mainframe says them paint cans dressed up as altcoins. That's hella funny. Who said that? Mainframe? Oh man, Mainframe. Altcoins. Heads up! Oh, see. You know what this is like? You know what this reminds me of? Okay. All right, this is me. That's the copy trader. Okay, this is when we start trading altcoins. Okay, this is me. That's the copy trader. Heads up! Stop loss hit. Liquidated.
Don't worry, Marv. I'll get him for you.
All right. Oh, but I get round tripped.
Yes.
Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, I can already see it. You think that the GEX is higher or lower? MGK, I know you are. Hey. The GEX changed. Do you think it's going to go up or you think it's going to go down? How many of you are waiting to see what I type in here? Here we go. New GEX, ladies and gentlemen. New GEX. There you go. Yeah, that's the new GEX. There's two ways you could look at this. One, some people are going to say, well, it's not truly bullish until you get above this. It's not. This would be where a really, like a lot of the fifth grade TA, a lot of fifth graders would be like, this would be a really nice short. So like the fact that does that make sense? If you were thinking, okay, all we have to do is pop that to become bullish, but now your goal is here, you know, some people could be like, oh, that's ass, because now you have to work even harder to make it bullish. You know, you only had to just go right here and then you were going to be bullish. Now you have to do that up here. So there's some people that will be like, okay, well, that's the GEX flip. So somehow, some way, maybe we'll make it up there. But other people would say, well, fuck, if we have to, like, if it's only bullish if we flip this, oh shit, we're not bullish right now at all. And that changed in about 5 hours. So who knows what it could be at in the next 5 hours. Maybe it comes back. But this is where we're at right now. But for the next 6 hours, 6 to 8 hours, if it changes, I'll update it in Discord. If I don't post it in the next 6 hours or 6 to 8 hours, it means that it didn't change. But after 8 hours, I'm probably not going to be looking at it, okay? So it could change. And guess what's happening in 8 hours? Deribit options will expire. So there could be a little bit of things that come in and changes things, okay? But at least until I go to sleep, I'll update you guys in the Discord. So the stop loss is very tight when taking limit orders from the Kimba box. Yeah, but that's kind of like the way that I'm interpreting the market, Hawks. It's not the stop loss very tight does not have anything to do with the Kimba box. It's more about the scenario that we're in. On the higher time frame, I'm bearish. I've been bearish since what, chat? September, October. Every week, every day, every month, I kept saying every pump is a scam pump, and it's an opportunity to short. And we've been talking about that since like 48K or whenever we started streaming. And so I would prefer to be in a juicy short from like 25 instead of doing this bullshit in between. All right. And the reason why I think it's important to put a stop loss very tight is because I'm overall a little bit more bearish. And I think there's a very easy possibility of just nuking. And so just conceptually, it doesn't make sense for me to be taking a risk on a long if there's a chance I could lose money. I'm the only longs I'm interested in doing are the ones that are either break even, tiny profit, or super small loss. Basically like a free roll. So that's why it doesn't really have anything to do with the Kimba box. It's just about the situation, whether it was the Kimba box or the golden pocket or a POC swing failure pattern. I would do every long would be coupled with the tight stop loss. It just doesn't seem right to me. It seems too silly that I'm going to lose money on a long attempt, because the short is what I really should be patient and trying to get into. So that's just the way that I see it, and see why like you might want to put your stop loss behind the 6.5, because as I said, that's possible. So if you had the 1, 2, 3, this is more about having a good entry. If you can get in on a good entry and you have your stop loss right there, and your goal is not to maximize profits, it's your goal is to not get stopped out. There you go. You live to survive another 5-minute candle. It could still nuke though. You know, you can still stop you out, but mathematically and probability-wise, that's why you would do that. It's not like I'm just making it up. This is like, you could find this in any book, really. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I got to get out of here before the flight leaves without me. I'll be back on again, same time tomorrow. So have a great night, everybody. Yes, sir, Gilgamesh. I'll see you tomorrow. All right, you guys, have a great day. Stay safe. Bing, bing, bing. Hey, Andromedas, Miame, Gordito, Golden Poquito, Usa Diamond. All right, you guys. Love you guys. Have a great night. Peace, everybody.